Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to speak about two terms that often confuse beginners in software testing. We will speak today about retesting and regression testing. So what is retesting? Retesting is the process of testing a specific defect that has already been fixed. Let's imagine the situation that a developer fixes a bug we reported. Our job as testers is to verify whether that particular bug is truly resolved. So retesting is focused, targeted, and usually happens on the same test case where the bug was originally found. So, for example, we took one test case, found a bug with the help of it, gave the bug to the developer fixed the bug, and we did the retesting in order to be sure that bug no longer exists. Okay, one more example. We reported that the login button doesn't work, for example. After the developer applies the fix, we retest that the login button works correctly and confirm that the issue has gone. So key points about retesting. Retesting is done after a defect is fixed, and retesting is mandatory for every bug fix. Okay, let's speak now about what regression testing is. Regression testing is much broader term. It ensures that recent changes in the code base, for example, bug fixes, enhancements, or new features, haven't negatively affected the existing system, or some feature, or some functionality. Regression testing is about making sure old functionality still works after new changes. And let's take our example. After fixing the login button, regression testing would check not only that login button works correctly, but also the entire authentication and authorization flow. We should verify registration, password reset, user profile, and even areas unrelated to login, just to make sure nothing else is broken and the old functionality, old features are working correctly and still working. And of course, if we speak about key points about regression testing, we note here that regression testing ensures stability of the entire feature, entire system, and regression testing covers a wide scope of functionality. I think everything is clear here. So to sum up everything, we can say that retesting is about verifying the fix, and regression testing is about verifying the feature and system stability after this fix. Of course, both terms are essential in delivering high-quality software. Skipping either of them increases the risk of releasing software with hidden issues. This is understandable. In short, that's all about retesting and regression testing, guys. Thanks for watching and see you in next videos.